Hi, I'm Ashwin. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I want to talk about top 7 skills to learn in 2022 for a better career. So let's begin the list. So please like this video and subscribe to my channel. So in this channel, you will get content on passive income tips, digital marketing, programming, latest technology, personal finance and investments, and many more, which will be useful for you in your career. The first skill that you need to know in 2022 is networking. So networking is undoubtedly one of the most demanded skill. If you know how to network with people, if you know how to communicate with people of different areas, different regions, different demographics, then ultimately there are high chances that you will get more opportunities. So networking is one of the most important skill, but if you're good at networking, then ultimately you will find many opportunities. So the first skill according to me is networking. The second skill that is already a most demanded skill and will continue to grow its demand is programming. So if you know programming, you will get high paid jobs, then ultimately you will get a good career. For that, you need to master at least one programming language along with data structures and algorithms. That is very much important to sustain in this field. So programming is undoubtedly one of the most and one of the highest paying skill in the world at this moment. And the third skill that will be the most demanded skill in 2022 is analytics and problem solving. So wherever there is a data, there will be demand for analytics, because if you're doing nothing with your data, then ultimately having data is of no use. And there is a saying that data is the new oil. You can get many products with the oil. Similarly, you can do whatever you can build your business, you can increase your profits, you can do whatever you can with the data. So if you know how to retrieve analytics from the data, if you know how to visualize that, and ultimately there are high chances that you will get into a good career. So analytics and problem solving is a very important skill. You need to know how to solve different problems with the data that you have. The fourth skill that will continue its demand in 2022 is artificial intelligence. If machines can replicate the tasks that are being performed by humans, then ultimately we can call it as the machine is possessing artificial intelligence. Similarly, in the future, with this metaverse and web3 increasing its reputation, so artificial intelligence is going to play a massive role. So machines can do tasks which aren't possible for humans. So machines are going to take over everything. So ultimately artificial intelligence is something that we need to look for in 2022. And the fifth skill that I believe is going to increase its demand in 2022 is digital marketing, because nowadays every business is online. Online businesses are everywhere. So if your business needs to succeed, then ultimately you should be online. So if your business isn't online, then ultimately it is difficult for you to find clients. So digital marketing includes everything, whether it might be social media management, content creation, content management, social media advertising. You need digital marketing presence in order to sustain in today's world. So mainly because everyone is on social media, so the best way to capture leads, the best way to gain your business is through targeting social media. So digital marketing is undoubtedly one of the most important skill in 2022. Sixth skill that I believe would play an important role in every individual's life is investing and personal finance management. The reason why I bring investing as a sixth skill is because nowadays inflation is getting high. The inflation rate is increasing rapidly. So whatever the money that you save will rapidly lose its value. So the only way to beat inflation is through smart investing. And if you're someone who knows how to manage your personal finance effectively, then ultimately you can save a lot of money and you can build your wealth easily. So investing and personal finance management is my sixth skill. And the last and final skill in my list, which will gain its prominence in 2022, is graphic design. So I already said digital marketing is something which will be very important for all the businesses, because if you are not online, you're not doing any business. Similarly, the best way to attract people is by creating captivating content, and that is possible through designing good graphics. So graphic designing is undoubtedly one of the important skill, and it is something which will be highly paid. So if you focus on these 7 skills, then ultimately you will get a good career. No matter which company you're working on, you will get a good career. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like and share this video in your network. Also, if you're a new visitor to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.